Stay focused when it comes to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way for companies to make money. Rather than using a traditional advertising method to obtain customers, affiliate marketing companies uses rewards and referrals to draw in customers. If you wish to use affiliate marketing to draw in more customers, then pay attention to the advice in this video. Signing on with a pay-per-sale affiliate marketing plan is risky, but it can pay off. When you have a PPS affiliate, you will only be paid if advertising on your site induces a visitor to make a purchase from the advertiser. This is a rare occurrence. When it does happen, though, the payout can be considerable, possibly even a commission on the product sold. Stay on top of changes in the commission structures your affiliates offer. Many affiliates will vary the commission they offer to website owners based on seasons, current sales figures, and individual performance. If you keep up to date with your affiliates' commissions, you can modify your website to emphasize or de-emphasize their products accordingly. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, only promote products that are relevant to your market. If you advertise products that your customers will not be interested in, you will fail to make any money. Instead, promote quality products that will appeal to your customers and your profits will increase. Separate your task list so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. Look for easy-to-sell products when you first start out. In the beginning, you don't want to be advertising for something no one has ever heard of. It puts pressure on both you and the consumer. The best way to go is to look at what products are currently hot and start with those. Once you have established a base, you can move to more challenging sales. Understand that this is not a get-rich-quick program and it will take some time to build up a program. The initial time to get a program started may seem slow, but keep in mind that this will end up being passive income. If you do the legwork on the front end, you can continue making money for years. In conclusion, affiliate marketing helps companies gain money. Instead of traditional advertising ways, rewards and referrals are used by affiliates to draw in customers. Using the advice from the video above, you can use affiliate marketing to gain more customers for your own business, which will give you more profit. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.